Hello everyone, this is Revathi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology from SNS College of Engineering. In my previous video, we have seen about introduction about computer networks and what are the topologies available in the computer networks and what are the types available in the computer networks and also how to calculate the performance of a device in the computer network. In my today lecture series, we are going to see about OSI model of computer networks. In data communication and networking, a protocol defines the rules that both the sender and receiver and all the intermediate devices need to follow to be able to communicate effectively. When communication is simple, we may need to only one simple protocol. When the communication is complex, we may need to divide the task between different layers, in which case we need a protocol at each layer and also or protocol layering. Internal Organization for Standardization, that means ISO, is a multinational body dedicated to worldwide agreement of international standards. ISO stands that over all the aspects of network communication in the open system interconnection, that is called OSI model. It is first introduced in the year of 1980s. OSI is nothing but Open Systems Interconnections. OSI model was the first introduced in 1984 by the International Organization for Standardization, that is called ISO. Outlines what needs to be done to send data from one computer to another and not how it should be done. Then the protocol stacks handle how data is prepared for transmittal, that to be transmitted from one device to another device. In the OSI model, the specification needed are contained in 7 different layers that interact with each other. Let us see 7 layers one by one in the upcoming slides. Then commonly referred to as OSI reference model, the OSI model is a theoretical blueprint that helps us understand how data gets from one user computer to the another computer. It is also a model that helps develop standards so that all of our hardware and software talks nicely to each other. It aids standardization of networking technologies by providing an organized structure for hardware and also for the software developers to follow to ensure their products are compatible with the current and future technologies. These are the 7 layers present in the OSI reference model. First one is application, then followed by the presentation, session layer, then transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and last one is physical layer. This is post, that means center side also present 7 layers. Then the likewise the receiver side also in the same. The physical layer coordinates the functions required to transmit a bit stream over a physical medium, determines the specs for all physical components, cabling, interconnect methods, that means topologies, and how the device is interconnected with each other, and by using which device, then data encoding, bits to waves, then electrical properties, then the transmission mode. The transmission mode also having 4 types: simplex, half duplex, and also full duplex. Then the example of for the cables are Ethernet, that is denoted by IEEE 802.3, then token ring IEEE 802.5, then the wireless connections also represented by IEEE 802.11b. These are the overview of 7 layers: network, process to application. Then the presentation will tells about how the data will be represented. Then the session layer will interhost of communication between the upper layer and the lower layer. Then the transport layer is the end-to-end connections, and the network layer will tells about the network addresses and best path how the device will choose the path from source to destination in order to transmit of data. Then address to media. Data link layer will access the media, that is called MAC, medium access control. And also the physical layer will tells about how the binary transmission will be done from center side and also from the receiver side. Thank you. Let us discuss about other layers in the upcoming video. Thank you.